Just want to make a quick walkthrough of my setup. I live in the Bay Area. Every walkthrough or video I see on YouTube are these woodworkers and their massive workshops, and I don't have that here in the Bay Area where space is limited and I'm not a professional. I do computer stuff, so I'm new to woodworking, so I can't afford or justify to have that kind of space. Anyway, I'm using my garage as a temporary workspace, and it seemed to work well for the last little while. So here it is. It's basically two sawhorses, this quarter sheet of 1/2 inch plywood, and then I have not used new tape for 6 months. I was like everyone was very worried about the tape running out, but I have this board here that I just screw in as a template. Whenever I set this up, I could leave it screwed in there if I wanted, probably, but I've used this 2 dozen times probably. Some of the tape has come off, but so there's normally a little bit more than that, but not much. I mean, maybe I think 2 pieces have come off. And then, yeah, I line it up here. I screw these in. You can see my spoil board / table is full of holes. I usually, just kind of screw those in, making a little clock here. And and then I can go to town. I have so these were $30, I think, at a Home Depot. This was another $40 or so, and that's my whole workshop. So it works. It's not ideal, but it's short on space, and I'm happy with it.